Morning guys, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. It's Dan here. How you all doing? Bought another car and I've got another one as well. I bought two this week. Basically it's a titanium tdci 1.6. Got no MOT, so obviously no keys like usual, so fingers crossed it's all good. The battery's dead. I just picked it up, I haven't even started or done anything with it, so I couldn't be bothered at the time because it's late. So anyway, here's it now, just going around it. Bodywork's in really good shape. Needs good old clean because it is literally filthy. This inside. You know, all my cars are always dirty because they've been sitting in yards for ages. This is the back seats. The seats are a bit mouldy and the floor's getting a bit mouldy there. I think, oh no, I've already looked. This has got service history, which a little bit of it, which isn't sometimes very what's this thing? Never seen that before in this. Check the old tyre depth, I guess. I don't know how it works. Anyone know how this works? Because I haven't got a clue. Well, that goes in there anyway. It's got obviously the climate control with aircon and everything. I can't show you the mileage because obviously the battery's dead. Let's get a key. It's got, because it's a titanium, it's got all electric windows, electric mirrors. What else it got? Obviously CD player. I think you've got auxiliary USB all down there. Let's put a key in. Look, it's totally dead. That's how buggered the battery is. There's all the back. Not got a clue what these bits are. It looks like it's to do with the battery maybe. Well no, I've got the locksmith to do it. Not 100% sure. That's all a bit dirty. Can't even get in the boot. Overall, it just needs a nice clean. Obviously, it's got no MOT. Let's check the tyres, like on Car UK. All the time, where I get them, they always get these bloody bits ruined where it gets lifted or something. I don't know what happens. But anyway, tread's good on that one. That's a Falcon, which is good. What's this one? Let's have a look at this one. This is a Farad. Not sure if Farad's good, but that's pretty much looks like a new tyre. What else? So look at this tyre. Toledo. I'm sure Toledo is a cheap tyre, but not sure. Great tread on it. And another Faro on the front, which has got good tread on it. That's good. Alright, engine bay. Can get this out. Yeah, you guys will not want to see the car I have bought. I bought another piece of junk. Shouldn't have bought it, but stupid old me bought it when it had all ice all over it. Was not really the wise idea. Anyway, it's the engine. All the coolant's all good. Looks like it's all nice and fresh. I checked the oil already. Quite clean for a diesel, because they get dirty really easy. Air gasket, that's alright. See, a battery is actually quite a good battery. It's a Bosch battery, so hopefully if I take it out and rack it on trickle charge, then fingers crossed it should be right. But this had a camber on the service history at 77,000. I'm sure this is on 118, so that'd be a good seller. That's not a good sign, it won't start. So I'm going to try and jump it off the Scooby, and if not, then what else is it going to be? Another bloody car that don't start. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Another cold start. Been sat here for about 3 weeks and start straight away. Still good. going strong. Get new tyres next week, and then I'll whack it in for an MOT. And then we will see what if. Well, I've got to jack it all up, look underneath, see if it's all good. Put new tyres on it, and I'll take it for MOT and see what they find. And then I'll do all the work, so it's got no advisories. Fingers crossed. Tidy it all up and sell it. Here goes, battery pack on, and that as well. So surely this will start. Right, come on. We're gonna start now, surely. What the hell? Come on, you stupid car. Oh, it's cold outside. Oh, that looks all normal. Why is it not starting? Try again. Joys of buying cars blind. For God's sake. I'll have to rev the Subaru maybe. Still my nut in now. Tip number 6. Oh, thought I had it then. There you go. It is started. At last. I've got an engine light, nothing new. Every time I buy these cars I have an engine light, so that's probably the reason it's been bloody repossessed. Anyway, engine light's not the end of the world, hopefully. I've got, what's that? Matte light as well, which must be something to do with maybe, it won't be traction control because this is only a box standard car. Not box standard, but lights work. Yeah, cool. Radio works. Yep. Pink. Yeah, wonderful. Bit of a classic. Phone all there. Fans will work. That's all good. Let's see what person had this car. They got CD? Nah. Now all opens, right. Loads of fuel as usual. It's running alright now though. Yeah, runs sweet that does. Let's take that off. It's still running, so nothing wrong with that alternator. Just check it anyway, just in case it is the alternator. Just the yeah, it's still running. Well, let's just chuck a multimeter on it and check it's alternator. I'm running 14 volts. Thanks, not right, because it's already got the fan going on. So it must be some coolant switch or something. Not right. Right, let's just check this. That was close. Drop it on there. Let's see if we've got 14 volt. Yeah, alternator's all good. It's charging. So that's a good thing. So obviously the battery's just been set for such a long time. So I'll stick that on charge tonight. And that's all that out. And I can hear the fan going on in there. So let's go and see what that engine management light is. And then go from there. Alright. clutch is all perfect as well, which is good. Right, let's get the old Maxi Pro ball tail. Great bit of kit. The OB port is on the Fiesta under here, so we'll just stick that in there. Not sure where it goes, that way I think. There you go, that's in. Right, I did have another one of these. I had the Bluetooth one where it just didn't have the cable, but it didn't have the where you can get onto the modules and basically active settings and stuff. So I got this one because this one's better. Right, go away. You already had loads of money off me already. I don't want to do that. Auto detect VIN. Alright, let's see what you can find. Okay. Plus you can see the voltage on there as well. Instead of testing with multimeter, this can do it. It says 13.8. Dual torque turbo diesel common rail 1.6 manual, yes. Right guys, so 2010 plate titanium, yeah, with 116 miles. Write in the comments how much you reckon I paid for it. Obviously, not the hammer price, the whole actually let's just say how much do you reckon I paid for hammer price including fees. Alright, not by the time I've picked it up and paid fuel, etc, etc. So yeah, write in the comments. Right, let's go to diagnose. Or let's just do auto scan. Yeah, it's got quite a few faults by the looks of things. Video. Right, let's just start on this one then. This is normally the main one. System voltage low. And guess what guys? I bought another diesel and it looks like particle regeneration all the bloody time. All these diesels, diesel with these bloody particulate filters are doing my nutting. Sounds sweet. Right, what I'm going to do is I will turn the engine off, and if the battery pack doesn't charge it, I will go and put the battery on charge and then get back to you guys later. And if not, I'll end the video here and there'll be a part 2 on this car. So thanks for watching, speak to you soon. If you liked this content, like and subscribe, tell all your mates and everything, and see you soon. Have a good weekend, bye.